Bradley Chubb's 4 solo tackles on Sunday may have been a stat no one would look twice at, but his 3 tackles on the day, which led the NFL, sure gives Broncos fans hope that the rookie is finally going to start to shine. Hello and welcome to the Denver Post Sports Desk. I'm Kerry. Chubb's third and final sack of the game came with 11 minutes left to play in the fourth as the Rams faced a 3rd and 3 from the Broncos' 19-yard line. The Rams' inability to convert led to a missed field goal and gave Denver its best chance for a comeback. Part of what has made Chubb more successful is that the Broncos are lining him up at defensive end rather than linebacker, allowing him to worry less about pass coverage and more about breaking into the backfield. Despite his breakout game, Chubb told media postgame that it's good and all to get the quarterback 3 times, but it's not good enough. With the Broncos losing their 4th consecutive game, the rookie knows that the pressure is on to do more. For more on the Broncos as they lick their wounds this week and prepare to take on the Cardinals on Thursday night, check out thedenverpost.com/sports.